If you put this phone down on a flat surface, that camera is going to touch that flat surface. So hopefully it doesn't get scratched or anything. Hey Wear Noticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tech accessories, cases, computers, tablets, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this case right here. This is Apple's bumper case, actually, for the iPhone Air. And what is super interesting about this case is it actually doesn't have a back. It just covers the sides of the iPhone. So I'm super excited to check this out. So without further ado, let's start doing that. So this box is super simple. It's just got an outline of the bumper. It says Apple iPhone Air bumper, and also notes that it supports camera control. Makes sense because, you know, Apple makes this case. Why wouldn't it? So let's just go ahead and slide it out of the box. Super simple unboxing experience right there. Here is the bumper itself, and now the box is empty. So let's just put this on my beautiful iPhone Air right here. So let's see, let's line it all up right. So I just want to see, okay, the volume buttons are here, so we can line that up and then pop it in, and then voila, that was super easy. And wow, first impressions here, I think this is super cool because, you know, if you get the iPhone Air, right, you want to preserve that awesome thinness. So this is a great way to do so because, you know, there's no added bulkiness on the back besides, obviously, you know, the kind of raised lip around the back of the bumper itself and the raised lip around the front of the bumper itself. So this still feels nice and awesome and thin and light in the hand. And the bumper, while it's not super grippy, right, it's definitely a more slippery material, it does feel like it adds a tiny bit of grip to the phone as well to make it a bit easier to hold on. But nothing too crazy because it does feel like this is probably made of silicone or some similar material. But anyway, let's try out Apple's MagSafe battery pack for the Air with this case. And yes, that clips on just fine as expected. But now let's take an opportunity to take a quick tour around this case. So on the sides, we have the volume buttons right here, nice and clicky. Action button, I have mine set to make my phone silent. Side button over here if you want to talk to Siri or put the device to sleep. Camera control button right here. Now, yes, Apple's right, that does work just fine as expected. Over on the bottom, we've got cutouts for the speaker grills, the USB-C port, as well as cutouts right here actually for the crossbody strap, which is a new accessory from Apple for these kinds of cases that basically lets you wear your iPhone. I'll be unboxing that accessory too, so I'll have a link to that down in the description of this video if you want to check that out. And then over here on the back, yes, you've got, you know, an exposed back, and that camera hump right there, I'm noticing that really still sticks out of this bumper, which, you know, is good and bad, right? It's good because it preserves the thinness overall of the phone, but it's bad because, you know, if you put this phone down on a flat surface, that camera is going to touch that flat surface. So hopefully it doesn't get scratched or anything. But if you're getting this iPhone Air bumper, it's probably because you want to enjoy the thinness of your phone, enjoy the looks of the phone, and not because you're super worried about getting the most protective case, because my guess is this is not the most protective case, right? The whole glass back of the phone is exposed. But yeah, with that, folks, there's not really much more to say about the Apple iPhone Air bumper right here. So definitely let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this case. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you have it for yourselves? And if you are interested in getting this bumper for yourselves, it'll set you back about $40. So definitely on the more inexpensive side of cases. But you've got to consider this isn't a full case, right? It's just a bumper. So maybe when you consider that, it's actually more pricey than you would rather spend because you could get a normal case for like 50 bucks, right, from Apple. But yeah, if you are in the market for your very own iPhone Air cases, I'll have a link to all the ones I've unboxed in the description of this video in a playlist. So be sure to check that out. And also don't forget to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.